mynews.studio.
A swirl of stars out in deep space. When you see the latest Hubble image, could it actually shift what we know about our own galaxy?
Today's date is June 12, 2025, and the Hubble Space Telescope just released a new image of the Large Magellanic Cloud, didn't it?
Yes, exactly. The Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC, is actually the largest satellite galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. Hubble's new image, released in May, offers the sharpest look so far at its structure, especially the star-forming regions and the clouds of gas and dust swirling around them.
The LMC sits about 160,000 light-years away, right? And you can see it from the southern hemisphere. But what sets this new image apart from, say, older ones?
What's different is Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3. It used 5 separate filters, including ultraviolet and infrared, to reveal things we simply can't see with our eyes. Each color in the image stands for a different wavelength, so you can pick out the hot young stars, the cooler dust clouds, and everything else in between.
So, does this image just look nice, or have scientists actually found something new?
There's real science here. For one thing, the image uncovers the fine structure of the LMC's dusty gas clouds. These are where new stars form. By looking at them in several wavelengths, the astronomers can track how stars are born, and also see how things like stellar winds and supernova explosions shape the galaxy.
Does this actually change how we think about galaxy evolution? Or is it filling in the gap?
It's really both. The multi-wavelength data helps us understand how chemical elements, created inside stars, get scattered throughout the galaxy. That feeds into models of the star life cycle and how those processes drive the formation of galaxies.
And what about the LMC's future? It's orbiting the Milky Way now, but is that going to stay the same?
That's a big question. Recent research, including data from Hubble, suggests the LMC could eventually merge with the Milky Way. The estimate is about 2.4 billion years from now. So, these observations help scientists predict how that merger might actually play out.
Just to be sure, by tracking how the LMC moves and interacts with us, astronomers can really model the Milky Way's own future?
That's right. It's not just about learning more about the LMC itself, it's about understanding how all galaxies grow and change as they interact. The LMC, despite its rough past, is still making new stars, which shows just how dynamic and resilient galaxies can be.
Why should someone who isn't an astronomer care about this? What's the real takeaway?
It's important because by studying the LMC, we get closer to answering basic questions about where we come from. Galaxies like ours have been shaped by these mergers and encounters for billions of years. Knowing that connects us all to a broader cosmic story.
I'm wondering about the technology. How does Hubble actually get such detailed images?
It's mainly thanks to Hubble's instruments, especially the Wide Field Camera 3. It can pick up light from ultraviolet through infrared and combine those snapshots into a single, highly detailed composite. And since Hubble orbits above Earth's atmosphere, its view isn't blurred by air or weather.
And that 2.4-meter mirror, it gives Hubble a kind of resolution you just can't get from ground-based telescopes. But is Hubble still keeping up, now that we have newer telescopes?
Hubble is still distinct. Its long-term records and the wide range of filters it uses set it apart. Newer telescopes, like James Webb, reach further into the infrared, but Hubble's combination of multi-wavelength observations and sharp imaging is still unmatched for many types of research.
So this isn't just about a pretty picture of the LMC. It's about using technology to get at the big questions in astronomy.
Exactly. It's giving us a view into how galaxies form, how stars come into being, and how galactic systems like our own might change over time.
That covers our deep dive into the Large Magellanic Cloud and what Hubble's new image is teaching us. If you're curious about where we come from, these telescopes are showing us the path.
Thanks for tuning in. Today we explored Hubble's new image, how galaxies grow and change, and the technology that lets us see it all.
Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by mynews.studio. Try it out for free.